Since 1991, Liberty AV Solutions has been the most trusted, recognized brand of cabling and devices among professional AV installers. Beginning with setting the industry standard for cable identification through color, Liberty has remained committed through the years to superior quality, service, and labor-saving innovation with every product and customer interaction. In addition to a strong commitment to quality, Liberty's success can be attributed to an unmatched ability to remain nimble and connected to the needs of the industry, resulting in broadening product, service, and solution offerings that perform, even in the most demanding environments and timelines. Backed by Wesco International, a Fortune 250 company, 2019 number 4 in the wholesalers diversified category on Fortune magazine's annual list of world's most admired companies. Liberty has an unparalleled momentum behind growth and innovation, positioning Liberty at the forefront of their competition and earning the trust, respect, and confidence of the largest professional AV firms in the industry. Liberty AV's core manufactured brands include Liberty Wire and Cable, Digital Infrastructure Solutions, Intellix, professional-grade system digital electronics, Digital Links, value-engineered digital solutions, Fibertron, custom fiber optics, Panel Crafters, custom active and passive digital plates and panels, Digital Links IP, 1080p or 4K video over IP solutions, and sister company Wesco Broadcast and AV, offering complete access to some of the industry's most trusted and respected brands. Liberty employs an experienced team, including multiple in-house experts and product engineers that are critical in ensuring Liberty's products meet proper specifications, certifications, and optimal performance. This dedication carries over to our team of customer and technical support representatives that are at the ready to provide guidance at every interaction before, during, and after installation. Our commitment is to provide an unparalleled selection of solutions to help our customers build and maintain their mission-critical systems in any environment. Our commitment to quality and customers are the foundational values that our business is built upon. Liberty AV meets the ever-changing AV integration demands for a variety of environments, including design, build, and systems integration, collaboration, meeting and training spaces, grade school and higher education, medical facilities, rental and staging, stadiums and large venues, houses of worship, broadcast networks, and mobile production. Throughout the years, Liberty has evolved into a full-service business partner, offering innovative value-added and managed service offerings, as well as access to a large offering of distributed brands. As your experienced partner, Liberty AV provides complete solutions, resulting in higher cost savings, increased efficiencies, and improving company operations. Ask us about on-site consigned inventory programs, advanced supply chain management and logistics services, project staging, custom kitting, custom part numbers that protect intellectual properties, custom copper and fiber optic assemblies, custom branding and services to pre-build or pre-wire products, reducing on-site labor and waste. Liberty AV Solutions, more than products, complete system design, quality products, and managed services that make you more profitable.